Hello and welcome back to this series of videos on electric ukulele playing. In this episode, we're going to look at a beautiful ballad, Songbird, from Fleetwood Mac's Rumours album. We will do crunchier songs in future, but for this we'll use the acoustic guitar patch on the Zoom and soften it a bit with EQ and chorus. My strings were getting long in the tooth on this recording, and new ones might give you some more sparkle. As I mentioned, you can use a compressor effect on the Zoom to level out the volume on your rolls, but sometimes you don't want compression. You might prefer the dynamic range of louder and softer passages, and this is a delicate song where that's probably better. I'm still playing a 1, 4, 2, 3 here, but I'm varying the rhythm. Note again as well that I'm switching faster between chording and finger picking, and that's something to practice as well. Tune your uke and let's play.
So